Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now if you recall, and I've got a video about this and I'll link that video down below for you. About 4 years ago I did install some Gardenglo solar path lights and they came in a 10 pack and I installed them at the front of our property and I filmed a whole video about it, how I did it, etc, etc. Now that was 4 years ago, which is quite some time for cheap solar garden lights. And look, a lot of them have stopped working and some of them are still working. So let's go outside and I'll show you during the day what they look like. Now here's a look during the day. You can see there, these lenses have faded. They don't really clean, they faded. The solar panels still look good and some of these still work and some of them don't. I've got one on every second post. Let's just go to the next one. That one's not faded as badly. Solar panel still looks all right, and I do clean the solar panels. Here's another one that's badly faded, and the solar panel still looks good. Here's another one that's got a spider living in it. Solar panel still looks good. And there's the end one, which look, they still look all right considering how long they've been out here. But let's come back tonight and see how many of these still work. Now on this side, there's only 2 of my lights that are still working. There's one, that one's still going good. And look, considering how long they've been here, it's not really bad. We go down here, that one's dead. We keep going, that one's dead, and that one's still working, and I think there's supposed to be one on the end there. Yep, that's also died. Now the other side's fared a bit better. There's 3 there still working. There's 1, 2 there in the middle that are out. And there's another one that's working, and I think then there's another 2 that are out. So that one's still good. I'll take you for a walk. That one's still good. That one's still good. That one there has died. That one there has died. Sorry about the quality of the video. That one there's still working. I'm filming this with my phone and obviously it's dark. That one's died and I think there's one more over here that's also died. Yep. After 4 years, and back then those lights cost me $20, so I think they were $19.95. And look, after 4 years, I think I've got my money's worth out of it. Look, overall, I'm very happy with it. For $16, you honestly can't go wrong with these. And I would recommend these. And look, they're getting better. And solar technology will get better as time goes on, I guess. Now, if you've got any questions about these lights, do me a favour, leave your question down below. And I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.